Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing the IP address of an Xbox One console. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Launch your Xbox. Click the Guide button on your controller to bring up the Guide menu. Scroll to the right until you get to System and then open Settings. In the settings, choose General and then select Network Settings. From the network settings, choose Advanced Settings. Displayed here will be your IP address, DNS address and other network information for your Xbox One. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xbox tips and tricks.